The year 2025 brings a breath of fresh air for automotive lovers, especially for fans of family vehicles that are practical but still stylish. Mitsubishi is hitting the market again by presenting the Xpander Hybrid 2025, which combines the power of a conventional engine with the efficiency of the latest hybrid technology. Let's explore more deeply about this latest innovation from Mitsubishi.
Attractive and functional design. In terms of appearance, the Mitsubishi Xpander Hybrid 2025 still maintains the dynamic shield design language, which is its trademark. The bold front appearance, with a large grille and sharp LED lights, gives a modern and dynamic impression. However, it's not just about style. The design is also designed to improve the vehicle's aerodynamics, providing better fuel efficiency.
Powerful hybrid performance. The main advantage of the Mitsubishi Xpander Hybrid 2025 is of course the engine. Equipped with a 1.5-liter petrol engine combined with an electric motor, this vehicle offers performance that is not only powerful but also efficient. This hybrid system allows for a smoother ride with responsive acceleration and significant fuel savings. This combination ensures that you can enjoy a powerful ride without having to worry about high fuel consumption. Advanced technology and security. The Xpander Hybrid 2025 is also equipped with various advanced technologies that pamper the driver and passengers. Features such as adaptive cruise control, 360-degree camera, and automatic parking assistance system make the driving experience easier and safer. Not to forget, the entertainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity ensures you stay connected and entertained throughout the journey. Security is of course a top priority. The Mitsubishi Xpander Hybrid 2025 is equipped with various safety features such as an anti-lock braking system ABS, electronic stability control, and 7 airbags spread throughout the cabin. These features ensure maximum protection for all passengers on board. Future innovation present now. The Mitsubishi Xpander Hybrid 2025 is proof that innovation in the automotive world never stops. By combining an attractive design, efficient hybrid performance, and advanced technology, the Xpander Hybrid is ready to become the main choice for those who want a versatile family vehicle. For those of you who are looking for a combination of style, comfort, and efficiency, the Mitsubishi Xpander Hybrid 2025 is the answer. Bring the future to your garage with a vehicle that is ready to face all travel challenges, while still protecting the environment with more efficient fuel consumption. Welcome to the new era of automotive with the Mitsubishi Xpander Hybrid 2025.